In this slide, I will show you the effect of simultaneous decrease in both demand and supply on equilibrium. So we will be dealing with case 2 here, a case where the decrease in demand is greater than the decrease in supply. So let's draw our equilibrium. So we have quantity, we have price. Okay, so here we have the origin. Let's say we have our supply curve here. Let's name it S1. We have demand curve here. Let's call it D1, and here is the equilibrium. So we call this price P1, and this is Q1. Now, let's say there is a decrease in demand, and that decrease is greater than that of decrease in supply. Okay, let's say there's a decrease in demand from D1 to D2. You know, a decrease in demand means a leftward shift in demand curve. Let's say we have another demand curve here. Okay, let's say D2. You can see the size of the decrease. Okay, it's very large. So we want it to be larger than that of supply. Let's say there is a decrease in supply. Okay, when there is a decrease in supply, meaning that the supply curve will shift to the left. The supply curve will shift to the left. Okay, when there is a decrease in supply curve to the left, what happens is that we are going to have a supply curve here. So let's have our supply curve here. Okay, and the size is very small than that of demand. So decrease in demand is greater than here we have S2, L2. So this is the decrease in supply. This you can see this side is greater than this. Okay, so we now have the new demand of D2 and the new supply of S2 are meeting here. So this is E2, new equilibrium. So I can call this Q2, okay, and I call this P2, okay. You can see the effect of the simultaneous decrease in both demand and supply. When the decrease in demand is greater than the decrease in supply, like we have here, is that the equilibrium price will fall. You can see this is the original equilibrium price, E1, and this is the corresponding price. The price has fallen from P1 to P2, so the price will fall from P1 to P2, okay, and the quantity will also fall from Q1 to Q2 here. So overall effect is that when there is a simultaneous decrease in both demand and supply, such that the decrease in demand is greater than the decrease in supply, the effect will be that the equivalent price will fall and the equivalent quantity will also fall. Don't forget to drop your comment, like the video, and also share the video to benefit others. Thank you. See you in the next video.